Hello Year 4, today I'm here with a video to help you practice your 6 times table. Now I've got my counting stick and I'm going to count through the 6 times table with you and then you can have a go yourselves. So starting at the beginning, we've got 0 times 6 is 0, 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 6 is 24, 5 times 6 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 6 is 42, 8 times 6 is 48, 9 times 6 is 54, 10 times 6 is 60, 11 times 6 is 66, and 12 times 6 is 72. Now let's try that going backwards. So we've got 12 times 6 is 72, 11 times 6 is 66, 10 times 6 is 60, 9 times 6 is 54, 8 times 6 is 48, 7 times 6 is 42, 6 times 6 is 36, 5 times 6 is 30, 4 times 6 is 24, 3 times 6 is 18, 2 times 6 is 12, 1 times 6 is 6, and 0 times 6 is 0. This time, I am just going to say the calculation and I want you to say the answers. So after 3, 1, 2, 3, 0 times 6 is, 1 times 6 is, 2 times 6 is, 3 times 6 is, 4 times 6 is, 5 times 6 is, 6 times 6 is, 7 times 6 is, 8 times 6 equals, 9 times 6 is, 10 lots of 6 are, 11 times 6 equals, and 12 times 6 equals. Super. This time I'm going to say a calculation and it won't be in order, it will be from any of the 6 times table and I would like you to have a go at that as well. So starting off with 5 times 6, 7 times 6, 6 times 6, 2 times 6, 0 times 6, 1 times 6, 5 times 6, 10 times 6, 11 times 6, 12 times 6, 6 times 6, 4 times 6, 9 times 6, 7 times 6, 5 times 6, and 0 times 6.